When you think of an animal that's highly intelligent, a great problem solver, a creature capable of using tools, what comes to mind? A chimpanzee, perhaps? Well, a close cousin of the chimpanzee is even more intelligent. It has even more in common with us humans than chimps do. And it can be found in the forests of Borneo and Sumatra. This is the orangutan. Hi, I'm here to tell you about the amazing animals of our planet. Today, we're going to talk about orangutans. Orangutans are the only great apes native to the island of Borneo. The name orangutan comes from the Malay word orang, meaning person, and hutan, meaning forest. So orangutan literally means forest person, and they truly are the person of the forest. Not only are they highly intelligent creatures, but they have many human-like characteristics. They're also known as the most arboreal of all the great apes. They spend almost all of their time in trees and are superbly adapted for life in the forest canopy. Orangutans have excellent color vision and keen eyesight, which helps them judge distances when leaping from branch to branch. Their prehensile feet help them grip branches, and their long arms allow them to swing from vine to vine. There are two species of orangutans, the Bornean orangutan and the Sumatran orangutan. Both species are endangered, but the Bornean orangutan is critically endangered. One of the biggest threats they face is habitat loss due to deforestation. When their habitat is destroyed, they lose their home and their source of food. And as a result, they have no choice but to venture into human settlements in search of food and water. This often puts them in conflict with humans, which can lead to them being captured or killed. Despite being gentle giants, orangutans can be formidable opponents when threatened. They've been known to use sticks and stones as weapons and will fiercely defend themselves if provoked. Males typically weigh between 300 and 400 pounds, almost 180 kilograms, and females are smaller, weighing between 200 and 300 pounds, around 135 kilograms. They can stand up to 6 feet, almost 2 meters tall when on two legs. But don't worry, they don't go around stomping on humans. Orangutans are generally peaceful creatures and prefer to stay away from humans. They share around 97% of their DNA with us humans, making them one of our closest living relatives. They're known for their problem-solving abilities and have been observed using sticks to extract termites from mounds. They also use leaves as makeshift umbrellas to shield themselves from the rain. This shows that orangutans are not only intelligent but also have an understanding of their environment. Orangutans are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of habitats, from lowland forests to mountainous regions. They're primarily frugivores, which means they mostly eat fruit. However, they have been observed eating a wide variety of foods, including leaves, bark, flowers, insects, birds' eggs, and even small vertebrates. They play a crucial role in seed dispersal as they swallow seeds while eating fruit and then excrete them later in their dung, helping to spread plants throughout the forest. These gentle giants are solitary creatures and are only found in pairs. When a mother is with her young, they communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including loud calls that can be heard up to half a mile away. They also use visual cues such as facial expressions and body language to communicate. Orangutans are generally nocturnal and sleep during the day. They build nests in the trees using branches and leaves where they can curl up and feel safe from predators. As with many other species, orangutan mothers give birth to one baby after a gestation period of around 260 days. The offspring, known as a baby orangutan or infant, will stay with its mother for up to 7 years, learning essential skills and behaviors. During this time, the infant will start exploring its surroundings and will begin to eat solid foods, gradually weaning off its mother's milk. Orangutans have a significant cultural importance in the region where they're found. They're often revered as sacred animals and are featured in local folklore and mythology. In some cultures, they are believed to be the guardians of the forest and are seen as symbols of wisdom and intelligence. So there you have it, the orangutan, the forest person, a highly intelligent, gentle giant that's sadly endangered. Hopefully, by learning more about these fascinating creatures, we can appreciate their importance and work towards protecting them and their habitat so that they can continue to thrive in the forests of Borneo and Sumatra for generations to come. Did you learn something new? Do you know anything more about orangutans? Share your thoughts below. See you next time.